8 potential benefits of matcha, a type of green tea. Matcha, a unique type of green tea, is packed with antioxidants and offers several health benefits, including potential cancer prevention, brain protection, improved mood, and support for heart and bone health. With nutrients like catechins and L-theanine, matcha may also aid in weight management, reduce blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. Now watch the video to learn more about these benefits and how matcha can be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Matcha, a form of powdered green tea originating from Japan, offers a variety of health benefits due to its high concentration of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Here's a detailed look at some of matcha's potential health benefits, along with explanations on how it may contribute to specific health areas. 1. Prevent cancer. Matcha contains powerful antioxidants, particularly catechins like epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which are known to have cancer-fighting properties. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, which can damage cells and lead to cancer. Some studies suggest that EGG may reduce the growth of cancer cells and inhibit the spread of certain types of cancer, though more research in humans is needed to confirm these effects. Benefit: regular consumption of matcha may contribute to cellular health and potentially lower cancer risk by reducing oxidative damage. 2. Help with depression. The amino acid L-theanine, present in high concentrations in matcha, can have calming effects and may help improve mood. L-theanine increases dopamine and serotonin production, which are important for mood regulation. Combined with caffeine, L-theanine provides a calm alertness, which can potentially alleviate symptoms of depression and reduce anxiety levels. Benefit: matcha's unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine can promote mental relaxation and reduce symptoms of stress and depression. 3. Protect brain function. The antioxidants and L-theanine in matcha also benefit brain health. Studies show that the EGCG in green tea can protect neurons from damage, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. L-theanine also promotes alpha waves in the brain, associated with relaxation without drowsiness, which can improve focus and cognitive performance. Benefit: matcha may improve memory, attention, and overall brain function, potentially offering protective effects against age-related cognitive decline. 4. Improve male fertility. Antioxidants, like those found in matcha, can support sperm quality and reduce oxidative stress, which is beneficial for male fertility. Oxidative stress can damage sperm DNA, impacting both fertility and reproductive outcomes. The antioxidants in matcha may help enhance sperm health by protecting it from free radical damage. Benefit: consuming matcha may improve sperm quality and overall reproductive health by reducing oxidative damage. 5. Reduce cholesterol. Research indicates that the catechins in matcha, especially EGCG, can help reduce total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol levels, which are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. EGCG may reduce lipid absorption in the gut and enhance cholesterol elimination from the body. This effect can contribute to better cardiovascular health. Benefit: regular intake of matcha may promote healthier cholesterol levels, supporting overall heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. 6. Protect bone health. Matcha may also support bone health, as its antioxidants help reduce inflammation, which can otherwise contribute to bone degeneration. Some studies suggest that green tea catechins can stimulate osteoblast activity, cells that build bone, which may be beneficial in preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Benefit: matcha's anti-inflammatory properties may help maintain stronger bones, potentially reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. 7. Promote weight loss. Matcha is often included in weight loss diets due to its ability to boost metabolism. The caffeine and catechins in matcha increase thermogenesis, the body's process of burning calories to produce heat. This combination can help accelerate fat loss and improve metabolic rate when consumed as part of a balanced diet and active lifestyle. Benefit: drinking matcha regularly may aid weight management by enhancing fat oxidation and increasing the number of calories burned. 8. Reduce blood pressure. The catechins in matcha may help to relax blood vessels, which can reduce blood pressure. Studies have shown that regular green tea consumption may be associated with lower blood pressure levels. This benefit, along with matcha's effects on cholesterol, makes it a good choice for heart health. Benefit: matcha may help manage blood pressure, contributing to a lower risk of hypertension and heart-related issues. Conclusion: matcha provides numerous potential health benefits, particularly due to its high levels of antioxidants, catechins, and amino acids like L-theanine. While adding matcha to your diet can be beneficial, it's essential to maintain a balanced approach, as excessive consumption may lead to caffeine-related side effects. Enjoying matcha as part of a healthy lifestyle can support long-term health and wellness in a natural way.